Hello, welcome back, and as you can see, there's a door in my bedroom now. Woohoo! Today's gonna be like a chill day. I have some things to do. I want to apply some blue in my hair, and I want to kind of show you guys some house updates. So for starters, doors. And I got a door in my bathroom and a door knob, which is nice. I gotta go to Home Depot and get 2 more because we were too short. Well, we're also a door short anyways. But yeah, so I'm very, very excited about that. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm also really excited about today because of the fact that I am finally going to change this cabinet out. At my mom's house, I have this beautiful solid wood and glass like display case thing. And I want that there instead of this. This I might just move downstairs until I figure out what I want to do with it. If I'm going to sell it or something. I can't wait for this to be out of this corner and then my glass case be against the wall. It's gonna look so good with our furniture and whatnot. I just have to say a huge shout out to Mark, my stepdad, and Mark's friend Errol. Without them, obviously this case would not have moved. Thankfully, all of the drawers are like bracketed in a way, so they don't move at all whatsoever. So it was pretty safe to move it down this way. And of course, can't ignore Calypso. How cute is she? We loaded this onto the back of my stepdad's pickup truck, and we drove behind him the whole way, and here they are sliding it into my living room. Once I, had a free 3 hours, which was after they left, I got to work and started putting all my crystals and a few of my plants in here. My plant collection has grown at times like 4, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. We love everything about this. I'm so happy. This is probably the longest spanned out video I've ever filmed because house updates take forever. Oh my God. Anyways, birthday cards in the background. As you can see, my birthday is tomorrow. It's tomorrow. Yay. I bought some yardsteaks from Joann's. They're mushrooms. The house came with like a little mushroom, a garden thingy. I don't know. The lady had very interesting taste who owned the house before me, but I got these little wobble mushroom homies that I'm going to put in the yard. So I got this one that's like blue, and I'll show you the other one. Hold on. And then we have this one, which is like a greenish, reddish purple. So I'm going to go try to stab them in my front garden area, I guess, and just kind of see how they look. It's also cold as fuck. It's like 8 degrees outside, so I need to bundle up. Hopefully you can see the mushroom. Hopefully the ground's not fucking rock solid. Okay, ground's frozen, so this is not gonna happen today, apparently. I tried, though. Why did I think that would work? So since that didn't work, I'm just gonna start cleaning and organizing my cabinets and kitchen because I have nothing better to do on my day off. And although Mark does get home at noon because we're gonna go get lunch together, he's getting out early because of my birthday. I need to do something with myself and be productive, so this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and I guess I'll show you the end result. Maybe I'll show you some befores. Basically random crap all up in here. I don't need this anymore, so I'll probably donate that. This is just a paper towel holder. My cousin gave us a kind of sturdier one, which looks like this, and it does a lot better job of holding the paper towel and not just flopping over like that when you're using it. This was great though for the time being, just to hold it, but this one's a little bit better. Up here, more random crap. I don't know what this is. Is this a fucking vacuum sealer? And Mark put it up here without me knowing. Interesting. I'm gonna probably put it somewhere else. But, oh, and then the kiddos' cups for when my niece and nephews come over. They have their own cups. And then our oven cleaner, which really needs to be cleaned, so maybe I'll use that today. These cabinets are organized for the most part. As you can see, I moved my mugs into the clear one and it looks a lot better. These and this both have food stuff in it and they're gonna stay that way. Mug tour, hey. This has dishware, which we just got new dishes from Mark's mom. She ordered us these amazingly beautiful stone dishes, so I can't wait to put those away. And I have these plates from my cousin, which I think will match. And I have more plates from my cousin in here, so I kind of need to figure out how to organize them to make this a little bit better. All the white plates are going to be going up into one of these just because the plate set only came with like 4-ish of each. And then, yeah, we have some extras, but anytime if we have like other guests over or whatever, then we'll have these. Or I'm apologizing in advance because I know you can hear my loud ass washing and drying machines. But anyways, today it's a bit of a snow day. I'll show you outside in a second. But I am just cleaning up the downstairs area because that is where I'm standing. It was a lot messier before I started, and I just needed to get started before I even started to film anything because I knew that the second I start filming, I might either get really distracted or forget to film. So yeah. So snow day, no work. I'm cleaning the whole house again. It never ends. So I'm just gonna show you the state of my downstairs. My wonderful painting from college that needs to go up somewhere in the house. But yeah, let's show you outside and whatnot too. As you can see, I am parked on the grass because my stepdad was wonderful and came and plowed us out of the driveway. So right now I just need to situate this stuff right here. I got the bulk of this corner because I don't know if you've seen before in other videos. I don't really know if I've shown it. This is like a corner of just shit being piled up on top of this and in its own corner. So I got that cleared off. This is all fabric and stuff that needs to get situated into there eventually. Probably not today though, or anytime soon, because we are having our insulation done hopefully sooner rather than later. So I'm not sure if you remember in the kitchen video when we took all of the walls down, we found out that there's absolutely no insulation in our house. So we did what we could and added what we can when we were redoing the kitchen, but we thankfully applied for this program that our electric company, I guess, offers. Basically, it's like a rebate program. You have to apply and qualify, but since our house has zero insulation, we clearly qualified for that one. So they're going to be putting in insulation hopefully this week in the whole house. They're gonna get it in the garage, in the whole base of the downstairs. I think the bedrooms are not getting touched, but honestly, doing the whole garage will save us so much money on heat and oil, because we do have oil heating, unfortunately, which there's no problem with that. I mean, I grew up with that, but it is a very, very costly way to heat your house if it's always going to be, you know, less than 10 degrees outside like it has been the past week. Basically, I'm just kind of getting things situated, cleaning, organizing, so when they can come and do it, they can hopefully come and do it like in one day, because I really don't want people to be in my house more than one day. I will see you guys in my next clip or whatever, because this laundry and furnace situation is very loud. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Another day, another house update. There's holes in my walls, aka there's now insulation in my walls, which is phenomenal because maybe now we won't have to keep filling up our oil tank. So let's just do a little walk around. So aside from the general mess on the floors, there's holes everywhere throughout the entire house, just to blow insulation into it. They even insulated down here, which eventually will be my sewing room when we get time to do this downstairs area. But yeah, so that's great. So I'm super excited about that, obviously, because now the house will be a lot warmer, because it's been like below 10 degrees the past week and a half, and so like the house is like constantly getting triggered to kick the furnace back on. So hopefully now we won't have to worry about that, and we can just kind of like chill and not waste so much money on oil. So I think that is going to be all for the house updates, at least in this episode. It's been kind of spanned out between like 3 weeks because I've been busy and unable to do everything all at once, which is what I wish I could do, but I can't. So yeah. So with that, I will definitely be letting you guys go. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to see other house updates and what we do with the house and the yard when, you know, snow melts and we can go outside for longer than 20 minutes, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're kind of excited about or what's going on in your life. I don't know, like, let's talk. So with that, I will talk to you guys in the next video, hopefully a week from now. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.